Hey guys, just a quick tutorial on how to swap out a tamiya connector for a Dean's connector on any of your lipos. All you're going to need for this is your soldering iron, you need some solder, preferably some flux if you've got it, a couple of pieces of heat shrink, a new Dean's connector, make sure it's the right one, and some wire strippers, cutters and possibly hot air gun or lighter. First thing you want to do is snip one of your wires. Don't snip both. If you snip both, then you could short it out and kill your battery and start a fire. So snip one, and we're just going to twist the end here. I actually just put a tiny bit of flux. My flux is really old, so it's going a bit hard. A little bit of flux, and we're just going to tin the end of this wire. So get our iron nice and clean and just tin that away. Next we're going to get the connector. Positive is the flat at the bottom. So what we're going to do is set him down. A little bit more flux just on the tab, get some out. And we're going to put a little blob of solder and hold it still. Just on there, just so you can see that nice little shiny blob just on there. Okay, get your piece of heat shrink, drop that over the wire. It's handy having a little holder like this. Position it however you want. Clean the tip. A little bit of fresh solder on there. And then we're going to offer it up. Just touch it on there. Let it cool. And there we have it. One connection done. Okay, I'm just going to let that cool off for a second. Actually, it's probably cool enough. Slide our heat shrink over like that. Get either a hot air tool or a lighter. I'm just going to shrink this down. Like that. So the reason we do all of that before moving on is now we know that's safe. We can't accidentally short it out by touching the ground wire onto the live wire, the positive. So next, snip the rest of the tamiya off, get rid of that. Strip our wire down again. Just gonna, I'll just tin, so I don't think I need the flux so much. Tin the wire like that. Then we'll get our connector. Now you'll notice they sit slightly off center, so the wire wants to go on this side. So I'm going to use that like that. And I'm going to put a little blob of flux just on there. Flux really helps the solder flow. I need to clean my little solder, syringe out. There we go, nice shiny little blob. Now we're going to get our heat shrink over the top. Now all we want to do is have 17 hands to hold it. Just heat that onto there. A little bit more heat, put a bit of solder on there. There we go. So let that cool. And it's all nice shiny connection. Then pop our heat shrink over. Again with our heat gun. And that's it. All done. Easy as that. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.